eyes tell me that you don't wanna leave just yet. No, my eyes agree. It's almost like when we first met. Oh, I don't care.
This hair was brought to me by Ashimary Hair. This is their 13x6 honey blonde highlight water wave wig. It is so gorgeous. This is what the lace looks like here. It is pre-plucked, pre-bleached. It comes with this strap here, and it also has the non-slip grip at the bottom, as well as this adjustable band here. And really quickly, inside of the box, they give you quite a few goodies that come with the hair, as well as this bonnet and robe. But if you want to see me install the wig, you got to keep watching. What I love about this hair is how simple it is to install. The first thing I'm going to do is just slick back my edges in the front so I can have a nice smooth base. And now I'm applying my wig cap. Now, wig cap is always completely optional. I like to do it because my hair is a little wild in the front, as you can see, even after I've slicked it back. So this just helps my style feel more neat. And then, of course, because this is a light wig cap, I'm going in with my cream makeup and I'm just going to darken it up so that it matches my skin tone before I install the wig. Now, the installation process itself is super simple. Only thing I have to do is slide on that band and I pulled the wig back. Then there's the comb in the back that I'm going to tuck into my back braids to make sure that's fitting comfortably, and then just make sure everything and like the wig and stuff fits comfortably around my ears. I love the cutout of this wig. It does fit perfectly for my hairline. And this is how the curls and everything and the color looks fresh out of the box. It is giving Beyonce in the best way. I absolutely love the color and the highlights, so I'm really excited to personalize the style. On each side of the wig, they give you ear tabs, which is a sticky adhesive. So I'm taking some of my toner here and I'm just cleaning up my hairline just so I don't have any makeup or any product or residue on there, so that the adhesive from the ear tabs can stick how they should. And to remove them, the only thing you want to do is maybe take some tweezers. That kind of helped me pull apart and separate the plastic from the adhesive. You just pull it off, and then you're gonna pull the wig down to what feels comfortably for you, and then once you got it in a good spot, just press it into place. After I've placed the adhesive down on the other side, I like to press both sides together at the same time for a couple of seconds just to make sure they're sticking really well. And as you can see, you can wear this wig gluelessly with the ear tabs. Next, I'm just taking some cream makeup and I'm cleaning up my hairline to get rid of that like ashy, shadowy look from the lace so that it blends with my skin. Then once I confirm that everything fits comfortably, I'm pulling the drawstring tight and I'm tucking it under the wig. Now, as you can see, my baby hairs stick out a little bit further than the lace, my natural hair does. So I like to create baby hairs in the wig to try and cover that up. Even though the roots of the wig are actually pretty dark, so my baby hairs probably would have blended well and it wouldn't have looked that bad, but I personally prefer baby hairs anyway, so I just went ahead and created some. And now I like to take a little bit of this Eben spray and spray it behind my baby hairs, only because I tend to sweat along my hairline, so this helps keep them in place a little bit better. So now it's time for the fun part, which is defining the curls. I'm just taking a little bit of water and mousse to do so, but first I'm going to show you the half and half look. So the first thing I'm doing is just like spraying this side of my hair with water and brushing through it with like my Denman brush to kind of like saturate the hair, because I want to show you what the hair looks like wet, like the wet look. And so I'm just taking, like I said, some mousse and just brushing through. Now on the other side, I'm taking my wide tooth comb and I'm fluffing out the curls, just so I can give you like a side-by-side comparison of what the fluffy look looks like and what the wet look looks like. You have a lot of versatility with this wig. And now I'm just gonna go in and saturate the rest of my hair because I will be diffusing the curls. I kind of want to show you what that looks like as well. So I'm taking my brush, and this time I'm brushing out the hair while it's dry. I love how big this hair can get. I was actually really surprised. It gets huge. So if you don't want to put any product on it at all and just wear it big like this, you absolutely can. But I just wanted to brush through it like this so that I can saturate it with this water. And now I'm just taking my blow dryer and I'm diffusing the curls kind of like in an upward motion so that they can dry with some volume with that defined look. And this is what the wig looks like at about like 75% dry. At 100%, you saw what that looks like earlier. It gets super full, but I definitely love it like this. You can really see the richness in the color of the hair. You can see the definition in the curls, the lace. Everything looks really great. This hair is really cute. Like, it definitely gives Beyonce, especially with this color and the texture and the fullness. Now lastly, I just wanted to show you the versatility of this wig. I pulled it into a half up, half down, and I wand curled it. And mind you, the hair wasn't even 100% dry when I wand curled it, so that's why it's kind of looking like this, but it is still super full and the colors are really cute. Just to let you know, you don't always have to wear it in that water wave texture. You can change the texture. You can probably flat iron it if you want to, but the curls are so pretty. I'm like, why would you want to do that? But yeah, you can pull it to a half up, half down. You can pull it to a full ponytail, whatever you want to do. But I really love the half up, half down look. It just eats to me. But yeah, no, definitely in love with this wig. You should really check it out. All the information is in the description box below. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. Adios till next time.